Hey, welcome everybody to Daytona Beach Racing and Card Club. We're up here in Daytona for the Bike Oktoberfest, and we'll be spending the weekend here playing some poker. But right now, let's just take a walk around and show you the Racing and Card Club in Daytona Beach. Let's go. As we make our way inside the Daytona Card Club, we have our astronaut there. Guest services as you first enter. Make sure you get your cards. And this is a very nice poker room. And on the left here they have the Simulcast, which we'll take a walk inside. Give you an overview of the Simulcast room. A lot of TVs, a lot of seats. Very well done. Give you a nice overview. And we're going to take a walk across the hallway here and into the poker club. Let's go. As we enter the room, Daytona Card Poker Room, it is a very spacious, well-lit, and seems to be very comfortable for the players. Nice seating all the way around, great tables. Again, I have to stress, a very well placed, a lot of walk-around room, a lot of ability to move and maneuver throughout the room of ease. This card room you'll be finding has a lot of the limit game, a lot of 1-2 no limit, 2-5 no limit PLO. So there's a lot of options for people they could play, and young, experienced pros, they're all here. But as you can see, we are taking a nice walk around the room, and all the way in the back you got some couch seating here, relax. Then you get into the tournament tables. They do a lot of tournaments here. It's a great place. They also have live stream, Daytona Poker Live. It's actually on YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook. So something you could follow. Here's a better close-up of the Daytona Poker Live area. Very well laid out, nice lighting, good cameras. So go to one of your social media outlets, Twitch, Facebook, YouTube, and follow them. It's actually a great experience. A little better close-up of the tables, lounge area just to relax while you're waiting for a seat. Again, tournament play, cash play, you have it all. Then you get into the Las Vegas style cards, extreme poker, chase to flush, wild. These are all the tabletops. And they have a nice variety as you look and walk the room of TVs throughout the whole room. So if you're a sports fan, it's on. A lot of visibility. No matter where you sit in the room, you've got the ability to watch the TVs. High hand listing are constant. Great high hands here. We just walked in and we were playing. They had an $800 rollover. You got a women's charity tournament coming up here. So there's a lot of options you could have here at the Daytona Card Room. And another overview of the whole room. Well lit. It's built for the players. So come play at Daytona. As we finish up our walk around of the Daytona Beach Racing and Card Club, come join us
Great high hands, great promotions, tournament coming up, table games, play like in Vegas. Come join us at Daytona Beach Racing and Card Club. Enjoy, everybody. Subscribe and hit like.